Question 13 of this exercise says a round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in figure. If the radius of the cover is 28 cm, find the cost of making the designs at the rate of rupees 0.35 per square centimeter. So as it is given in the question that all the 6 designs are equal, so if we find the area of one of the design, we can simply multiply it with 6. So we can find the area of one of the design by finding the area of the sector OABC, and we can subtract the area of triangle OAC from it. We'll get the area of one of the design. Then we can simply multiply it with 6 to find the area of all the 6 designs. So let's find the area of sector. As we can see that there are 6 equal sectors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 360 divided by 6, which is same as 60 degree. So one of the sector will subtend an angle 60 degrees. And we also know that OA is equals to OC, that is the radius, which means angle C equals to angle A. Let's take it as x. So it will become x plus 60 degrees equal to 180 degrees. That is the sum of all the interior angle of a triangle. So from here we'll get the value of 2x as 120 degree and x as 60 degrees. So which means all the angles of this triangle OAC is 60 degree, which means it is an equilateral triangle. We know how to find the area of an equilateral triangle. That is basically root 3 divided by 4 into a square, and a is the side of the triangle. So it is root 3 divided by 4 multiplied by 28 square. The value of root 3 is given, that is 1.7. So on solving this, we'll get the area of triangle AOC as 333.2 square centimeter. Now let's find the area of sector OABC, that is theta divided by 360 degree multiplied by pi r square. So it will be 60 degree divided by 360 degree multiplied by 22 by 7, and the radius is 28. So it will be a square of 28, and from here we'll get the area of sector as 1232 divided by 3 square centimeter. Now we will get the area of segment ABCA, which is 1232 divided by 3 minus 333.2 square centimeter. So basically the area of segment ABCA is the area of one of the design, and as there are 6 designs, so we will just multiply it with 6. So we'll get the area of designs as 464.8 square centimeter. Now to find the cost, we just need to multiply 0.35 because the rate is given with 464.8, and we'll get the cost as rupees 162.68. So that is the cost of making the designs.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.